Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to decide which ordered pair best describes the location of the point on the graph. First, I want to remind you that each of these would be a set or an ordered pair. And each of them have an X value and a Y value included. If you can remember, in your alphabet, your X always comes first and then your Y. Well, in your ordered pairs, your X always comes first and then your Y. If you notice here, this is the x-axis and it runs horizontal like this. And if you notice, this is the y-axis and it runs vertically like this. I like to remind myself the y runs vertically like that by making myself a y. And then I just want you to look at the black dot, which is the point that you need to determine the location. And we're going to just bring it down to the x-axis, and we're going to write the number where it would land. Then we're going to bring it over to the y-axis, and we're going to write the number where it would land. And then, of course, that's the answer choice that we want to choose. And it's always good to write it down because it's easy to identify which one we need when we're looking at exactly what we're looking for. And it's easy to confuse it if we haven't written it down. Thank you so much for watching. I'd hope that you would like and subscribe, and I would love it if you'd tell your friends. Have a great day.